Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. So today guys, I finally got in the mail my new Realacc. This is a 5-inch 210mm racing drone that I got in the mail that I ordered from Banggood. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in this particular drone kit. So I am super excited to see what is all in this box. So hold on while I turn the camera down. Alright guys, so thanks for hanging in there with me, I appreciate that. Okay, so like I said, I just got in the mail. This is the kit that I ordered from Banggood.com. Now again, I'm not sponsored by Banggood, so this came out of my own pocket. But this is a drone kit that you can order from their website, and I got a really good super deal on it. I think it was just about $106 or something like that, and you get the frame, you get the motors, the flight controller, everything. So we'll go over the entire kit that you get, and I'll show you everything, and then probably next week or later this week, now probably most likely next week, we'll do a whole drone build video, and I'll show you guys how to put this particular kit together. So anyway, so this is the Realacc 210 4mm drone kit, and if you want, I will put a link down in the description for you guys below after the video. And if you want, I'll go ahead and this is what it should look like after it's completely built. So inside you get your frame, of course. So this is a 210mm, and this is a Truex style. Now the only thing I didn't really like about this, but I wanted to at least try it out, was that it's a unibody, so you can't replace the arms on it. So if you snap one of these arms, you're going to be out of luck. But it is 4mm, and I gotta admit, 4mm is pretty darn thick. So, and it feels pretty good. Now, one thing I've already done, I took this out of the package actually, and I went ahead and kind of shaved some of the carbon fiber, because the carbon fiber sides were just a little bit, they were really sharp, so just be careful of that. So here's the frame that you get, and then here is like your top plates and everything like that, and I'll show you once we're completely built what this will look like. You get some, I guess these are pads, I'm assuming, and then you get your mounting screws, you get some screws for your power display or power distribution board, and you get some of the standoffs as well. Now what's really cool about this kit is it actually comes with the power distribution board, Maytech. So I've got this on my purple custom drone, and it works really good. So we'll go ahead and we'll put this all aside for now, and they actually throw in a battery strap. Now I'm not sure how well this battery strap is. It's made of plastic. It seems to be okay, so we'll try it out and we'll see how it does compared to the other battery straps that I have. So also included in this kit, you do get a SP3 racing board. So this is an F3, so that's not too bad. So this is the same one that I have in my purple custom board, or my purple custom racing drone as well. So that's what it kind of looks like. I haven't even opened up the package yet. Now also included in the kit, you're going to get your ESCs. So you get 4 RacerStar 8 ESCs. Now I've heard good things and bad things about these, so that's why I wanted to get this drone kit, because I wanted to try it for myself. So you get 4, these are the 20 amp ESCs, so that's not too bad. So they should have plenty of power to power everything up, which is pretty cool. And then also you get 4 RacerStar motors. So they're the red RacerStar. Let me pull one open for you here. I wish they would have sent me a different color. I'm not too fond of the red, but I'll take it. So these are 2205, 2600 KVs. So there you go. You can kind of see the number right there. And these are the RacerStar, I think these are the, yeah, Racing Edition is what these are. So I've got these also on my purple custom drone, and I've got these on my Space One FPV, and I'm really happy with these motors. You know, they're not the most expensive motors, but you know what, for what I fly and everything like that, these have really good performance, so I'm really happy about that. So you get 4 of these, which is really freaking sweet, with all the mounting and everything like that. And the other thing that you get that they send in this kit as well is you get 7 sets of props. Now they send you a rainbow variety of all kinds of props. So, and they're called the multi-leaf propeller series unbreakables. So they're 5x4x3s. So I don't know if I'll actually use these once I'm done. I might try them out just to kind of see, but they're not too bad. These are the right hands, and then these are the other ones. So looks like you got some pink in here, some green, one black, a purple, couple of reds, an orange, couple more reds in this one. So yeah, so that's not too bad. Again, I may or may not use these props. I might just test them out just to see what they're like and how they actually perform. I might just use my my Dow Prop Cyclones that I got. But for 106 bucks, you guys, you get all this stuff. So you get the frame with the power distribution board. You get the props. You also get all 4 of the motors, and you get all 4 of the ESCs. So pretty much the only thing that you have to buy is going to be an FPV camera and a VTX, which you can find on Amazon for fairly inexpensive. So for just over $100, you get all this, pretty much a full complete drone kit that is going to be ready to go once you put it all together and solder it and everything like that. So I'm definitely I'm happy about that, and I wanted to test this out because I know a lot of you are just starting out in drone racing, and you may not have a whole lot of cash, and you're like me where I like to do things on a budget. So I figured, you know, let's try a budget drone, one that's not super expensive, and just test it out and see how well it actually does. I am going to take it out to the races once I'm done, and I'm going to race it and check it all out. And I'm going to put one of my GoPros on there, or my knockoff GoPros. I'll probably put this one on there just to see you know, how the video turns out and everything like that. So I think that's going to be really cool as well. So anyway, guys, yeah, so this again is the Realacc. This is the X210 4mm racing drone kit, and so I'm pretty impressed with everything that you get for just over $100. That's not too bad. So not including the FPV camera and the VTX, but you can get a VTX and a camera for, you know, 40 bucks. So for like 150 bucks, you've got your whole setup, you're ready to go. Besides, you know, needing to get your radio, and the other thing you might have to get, I have a spare receiver, but if you need a receiver, you would have to order one of those, but they're pretty inexpensive. So, but that's all I have for today's video, guys. I just wanted to show you the unboxing of the drone kit that I'm going to be building. I am going to be doing a whole video on this one this time, and I will remember the SD card this time, so that way you guys could actually see me building the drone and everything like that. So hopefully this all turns out and really good. I've got another 5-inch drone that is on its way that I'm going to be building for you guys. I'm not going to say where it's coming from or what it is, so that'll be a surprise. That's coming next week, and I'll do an update for you guys and show you all about that. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it, and thank you for all the awesome comments and support. As always, guys, I really appreciate that. If you like my channel, if you like my reviews, tips and tricks, hit the subscribe button for me, and I would really appreciate that. And next to it, there's a little bell, just lets you know when we've got new videos. I have a video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then every other Sunday we do a live Q&A, and we're going to be mixing it up this week. So hang in tight on Sunday, because I'm going to surprise you guys. I've been talking to the patrons about this, so my patrons know exactly what I am talking about. So thank you to all my patrons. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And that's all I have for today, guys. So thank you so much again for hanging out with me. And in the meantime, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for hanging out. Have an awesome day.